Hi, this is Dan Stewart, and this is your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Thursday, July 8th, 2010. Well, the market rallied for a second day in a row today. The Dow was up 120 points to 10,138. The S&P was up just under 10 to 1070, and the NASDAQ was up almost 16 to 2175. Oil was up $1.77 to $75.84 the barrel. Gold was down $2.80 to $11.96, and silver was down just a penny to $17.97 the ounce. In the currencies, the dollar was down against the euro and the yen, but up against the pound. On the Treasury front, yields were up, and therefore Treasury prices were down. In fact, the 10-year Treasury went over 3% for the first time in months. As I said yesterday, we had a big up day. In fact, upside volume on the New York Stock Exchange was 94%. The NASDAQ almost had a 90% upside day, coming in at 88%. Will we continue to get a follow-through? That remains to be seen. But you need to keep watching closely, because what I intend to do is I intend to fade this rally. As the rally loses momentum and steam, I intend to prune a few things out of my portfolio. The European countries were up across the board, with their banks leading the way. However, after their markets closed, their bank stress tests came out, and it looks like they're going to need $115 billion of new capital to shore up their reserves. Now the question I have is, was this a real, true stress test, trying to measure a black swan event, or was this just a test to measure a mild slowdown? Well, they were talking about just a 3% downturn and a mild reduction in GDP. Doesn't sound like much of a stress test to me. Over in Asia, their markets were also up pretty big, with Japan leading the charge, up 2 3/4%. The rest were up around 1%, with Singapore and South Korea up over 1 1/4% each. Shanghai was the only down country, down 1/4%. Keep checking in over the next few days, because it remains to be seen whether this rally will have legs. At the current time, we seem to be finding lower highs and lower lows. That's a bearish sign. So have we reached an inflection point, or are we going to continue another leg up this bull market that started well over a year ago? This is Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Thursday, July 8, 2010.